Hello students, today I want to welcome you to another social studies lesson for PSC, and in today's lesson we want to answer some PSC questions from 1 to 50. And remember, you can subscribe for quick access to all the videos, lessons and questions that will be posted. Nevertheless, let's go straight into today's lesson by answering the different social studies questions. So number 1 says, Belize's traditions, customs, festivities, food, art, and music, which make up different from other countries, make up our A. Identity, B. Nationality, C. Tradition, or D. Culture. And the answer is D. Culture. So it is our culture that differentiates us from other countries. Number 2, which of the following is not a social problem? A. Teenage pregnancy, B. Drug addiction, C. Disobedience, or D. Unemployment. And the answer is C. Disobedience is not really a social problem, but teenage pregnancy, drug addiction, and unemployment is a social problem. Number 3 says, the Constitution is the written laws for Belize and gives us all rights except A. The right to life, B. The right to liberty, C. The right to avenge, or D. The right to a fair trial. And the answer is C, the right to avenge. But the Constitution gives us the right to life, to liberty, and to fair trial. Number 4 says, the greatest resources of a country is A. Tourism, B. Human resources, C. Trees, or D. Land. And the greatest resources of any country is B. Human resources. Number 5 says, what is true about Belize's population yearly? A. Always stable, B. Keep on decreasing, C. Always increasing, or D. Sometimes stable. And the answer is C. Always increasing. So on a yearly basis, the population of Belize keep on increasing. Number 6 says, this industry has become a pillar to Belize's economy and is known as A. Sugar, B. Banana, C. Citrus, or D. Tourism. And tourism is one of the main industry in Belize. So the answer for this question is D. Tourism. Number 7 says, how can a person get better working opportunities? A. Being lazy, B. Get only a high school diploma, C. Higher education, or D. Sit at home. And the answer is C. Get a higher education. And that's how a person can get better working opportunities. Number 8 says a person can be elected for blank consecutive terms as Prime Minister of Belize. A. 2 terms, B. 3 terms, C. 4 terms, or D. 5 terms. And the answer is B. 3 terms. So the Constitution gives a person 3 consecutive terms to run and win as a Prime Minister. So once a person wins for 3 terms, like the Honorable Dean Barrow, he can no longer run for Prime Minister because he completed his 3 consecutive term as the Prime Minister of Belize. Number 9 says, who was the first Prime Minister of Belize? A. Honorable George Price, B. Honorable Manuel Esquivel, C. Honorable Said Musa, or D. Honorable Dean Barrow. And the answer is A. Honorable George Price. He was the first Prime Minister of Belize. Then the second Prime Minister was Honorable Manuel Esquivel. The third Prime Minister was Honorable Said Musa. And our current and fourth Prime Minister is Honorable Dean Barrow. And the next election we'll have a new Prime Minister. So it doesn't matter which party wins, but it will be a new person. Number 10 says, which 2 heroes are key factors in Belize's independence? A. Baron Bliss and Philip Goldson, B. Thomas Vincent Ramos and Cleopatra White, C. George Price and Philip Goldson, or D. Samuel Haynes and Mr. Peters. And the answer is C. George Price and Philip Goldson, who are 2 heroes and were key factors in Belize's independence. Number 11 says, all of the following are utilities companies of Belize except BWS, which is the Belize Water Service, B. BTL, which is the Belize Telemedia Limited, C. BEL, which is Belize Electricity Limited, or D. Hospital. And the answer is D. Hospital. So hospital is not a utility company, but yes, BWS, BTL, BEL, those are utilities companies, but not the hospital. Number 12 says, which form of communication is less used? A. Internet, B. Cell phone, C. Letter, or D. Messenger. And a form of communication that is less used in today's modern time is C. Letter. So most people communicate by the internet, by cell phone, and by messenger. Number 13 says, mother, father, and children are what type of family? A. Extended, B. Nuclear, C. Single parent, or D. Sibling. And the answer is B. Nuclear family. So the nuclear family is a mother, father, and children in the same household. Then an extended family will include mother, father, children, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, together as one. Then single parent, a mother and a child, or a father and a child. And siblings, or sibling will be brothers and sisters taking care of one another, like an older sibling taking care of a younger one. Number 14 says, Julie lives alone with her son. This is an example of what type of family? A. Extended, B. Nuclear, C. Single parent, or D. Sibling. And the answer is C. Single parent, because it's a mother and a son. Number 15 says, Tom found a wallet with money on the school veranda. What should he do? A. Take it, B. Give to the teacher or principal, C. Share it with friends, or D. Give to his parents. And the answer is B. Give to the teacher or principal, who in return will find out who is the person that lost their wallet and will give it to them. Number 16 says, Tom wants to know more about art and culture. Where should he go? A. Niche, B. Baja, C. NDACC, or D. BFLA. And if he wants to know more about culture, then he needs to go to Niche, which is the National Institute of Culture and History. Number 17 says, which is true about the educational system of beliefs? A. Government in full control of all schools. B. Government only pays salaries. C. Government controls 80% of schools. Or D. Government and churches work in partnership. And the answer is D. Government and churches work in partnership. Number 18 says, the line which separates the earth into northern and southern hemisphere is called A. Prime Meridian, B. Equator, C. Tropic of Cancer, or D. Arctic Circle. And the answer is B. The equator. So the equator separates the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Number 19 says, which imaginary line divides the earth into two equal parts? The eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. A. Equator, B. Tropic of Cancer, C. Arctic Circle, or D. The Prime Meridian. And the answer is D. The Prime Meridian, which divide the earth into the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Number 20 says, the earth on its axis make a complete spin in 24 hours. This is called A. Revolution, B. Rotation, C. Eclipse, or D. Sun's ring. And the answer is B. Rotation. So rotation is the earth on its axis make a complete spin in 24 hours. Then number 21 says, the earth takes 365 and a quarter days to go fully around the sun. This is known as A. Revolution, B. Rotation, C. Eclipse, or D. Sun's rays. And the answer is A. Revolution. So the earth goes around the sun in 1 year, called a revolution. Number 22 says, what is true about the eastern hemisphere compared to the western in time zone? A. The time is always the same. B. The western hemisphere is ahead in time. C. The eastern hemisphere is ahead in time. Or D. All countries lack time zones. And the answer is C. The eastern hemisphere is ahead in time. So the eastern hemisphere is always ahead compared to the western hemisphere. Number 23 says, which country is 7 hours ahead of Belize? A. China, B. United States, C. England, or D. Mexico. And the answer is C. England. So England and the UK is 7 hours ahead of Belize. Number 24 says, all of the following are examples of civil pride except A. Caring about where you live, B. Putting garbage in its proper place, C. Volunteering at community events, and D, disrespecting our elders and teachers? And the answer is D. Disrespecting our elders and teachers is not showing civil pride. Number 25 says, all of the following are examples of renewable resources except A, water, B, oil, C, animal, or D, plants. And the answer is B, oil. So oil is non-renewable resources, but water, animal, and plants are renewable resources. Number 26 says, all of the following help in taking care of our environment except A, practicing the 3 R's, B, planting new trees, C, cutting down trees, or D, keeping our country clean. And the answer is C, cutting down trees does not help in taking care of our environment. But yes, practicing the 3 R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle, help our environment. Planting new trees help our environment, and also keeping our country clean help the environment. Number 27 says, all of the following are examples of non-renewable resources except A, fossil fuel and petroleum, B, coal, C, soil, and D, natural gas. So the answer for this question is C, soil. So soil is renewable resources. So all of these are examples of non-renewable except soil, which is a renewable resource. Number 28 says, at which layer of the atmosphere is the ozone layer located? A, thermosphere, B, mesosphere, C, stratosphere, or D, troposphere. And the answer is C, stratosphere is a layer where the ozone layer is located. Number 29 says, at which layer of the atmosphere do we live? A, thermosphere, B, mesosphere, C, stratosphere, or D, troposphere. And we live at D, the troposphere. Number 30, Belize is affected by all of the following hazards except A, hurricane, B, flood, C, drought, or D, earthquake. So yes, we're affected by hurricane, by flood, by drought, but not really by earthquake. We only feel the effect of earthquake from our neighbors. So the answer is D, earthquake, which is not really a big problem for our country. But hurricane, flood, and drought, and as you can see right now, we're in the really hot season, so we're going through the drought season. Number 31, all of the following can prevent traffic accident except A, respect traffic lights, B, drinking and driving, C, don't text and drive, or D, respect traffic signs. So the answer is B, drinking and driving, which cannot prevent a traffic accident. So we discourage drivers from drinking and driving. Number 32 says, which is the correct stages of hurricane formation? A, thunderstorm, tropical depression, tropical storm, and hurricane. B, thunderstorm, tropical storm, tropical depression, and hurricane. C, tropical storm, tropical depression, thunderstorm, and hurricane. Or D, hurricane, thunderstorm, tropical depression, and tropical storm. And the answer is A, the correct stages of a hurricane. It starts with a thunderstorm. Then from a thunderstorm, it goes to a tropical depression. Then from a tropical depression to a tropical storm. And from a tropical storm, it forms into a hurricane. Number 33 says, which organization protects Belize from animal health and food safety? A, BAHA, which is the Belize Agricultural Health Authority. B, BFLA, which is the Belize Family Life Association. C, OAS, Organization of American State, or D, NICH, which is the National Institute of Culture and History. And the answer is A, BAHA, the Belize Agricultural Health Authority, which is the organization that protects Belize from animal health and food safety. Number 34 says, all of the following are rights of the child except A, right to life, B, right to an education, C, right to shelter and safety, or D, right to abuse. And the answer is D, right to abuse. No child should be abused, but yes, they have the right to life, the right to an education, and the right to shelter and safety. So the answer is D, which is not the right of the child. Number 35, in what year did Belmopan become the capital of Belize? A, 1984, B, 1971, C, 1964, or D, 1981. And the answer is B, 1971 is the year when Belmopan became the capital of Belize. Number 36. Who has the right to present bills and the yearly budget to be debated in the House of Representatives? A. Government, B. the opposition, C. the Senate, or D. business? And the answer is A. the government. So the government has the right to take bills at the House of Representatives and to pass the budget when it's time to do that on a yearly basis for the new budget. Number 37 says, which ethnic group in Belize is known for Brokdong and Bram? A. Maya, B. Garifuna, C. East Indian, or D. Creole? And the answer is D. Creole, which is known for Brokdong and Bram. Number 38 says, which ethnic group performs the Jankuno, known for Punta and Paranda music, and came to Belize on November 19th, 1823? A. Mestizo, B. Chinese, C. Garifuna, or D. Mennonites? And the answer is C. the Garifuna. They are known for Jankuno, Punta and Paranda music, and celebrate November 19th as a national holiday. Number 39. Which ethnic group came to Belize in 1847 and were fleeing the Casta War and is known for La Llorona and Mestizada? A. East Indian, B. Mestizo, C. Maya, or D. Mennonites? And the answer is B. the Mestizo. Number 40 says, which ethnic group flourished during the Classic period and is known for temples or ruins? A. Maya, B. Creole, C. Mennonites, or D. Mestizo? And the answer is A. the Maya people. Number 41. After bills or laws are approved in the House of Representatives, who signed them into law? A. the Senate, B. the Governor General, C. the Leader of the Opposition, or D. the Prime Minister? And the answer is B. the Governor General, who has the right to sign bill in order for it to become law. Number 42 says, which ocean is the largest? A. Pacific Ocean, B. Arctic Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, or D. Indian Ocean? And the answer is A. the Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean. 43 says, which of the following explain Pangea and continental drift? A. Earth was one big landmass and divided into 7 continents. B. Earth was once 2 big landmass. C. Earth was once 2 landmass and divided into 6 continents. Or D. Earth was 1 big landmass and 8 continents. And the answer is A. Earth was 1 big landmass and divided into 7 continents. So Pangea, the Earth was 1 big landmass, and continental drift, it shifted into 7 continents. So the answer is A. Number 44. All are facts of lines of latitude except A. Run in north and south direction, B. Run in east to west direction, C. Are parallel to one another and never meet, or D. Cross the prime meridian at right angles? And the answer is A. Run in north and south direction. So run in north and south direction is not a fact of lines of latitude. Instead, that's a fact for lines of longitude. Number 45 says, all are facts of lines of longitude except A. Are known as meridians, B. Run in north to south direction, C. Run in east to west direction, or D. Cross the equator at right angles? And the answer for this question is C. Run in east to west direction, which is a line of latitude but not a longitude. That is why C is the answer for 45. Number 46. All 3 countries were involved in the Atlantic slave trade except A. Africa, B. West Indies, C. Europe, or D. China? And the answer is D. China. So the Atlantic slave trade include 3 countries, Africa, West Indies, and Europe, but not China. Number 47. How many members are in the House of Representatives? A. 21, B. 33, C. 20, or D. 31? And the answer is D. 31. So the House of Representatives is made up of 31 seats, and the majority of seats is governed by the United Democratic Party, and the less majority is the People's United Party. So the majority form the government, which is the United Democratic Party. Who is the leader of the opposition? A. Honorable Francis Fonseca. B. Honorable Johnny Briceño. C. Honorable Cordell Hyde. Or D. Honorable Said Musa. And the answer is B. Honorable Johnny Briceño is the leader of the opposition party, PUP. Number 49. All of the following are allowed during an election except A. Campaign, B. Vote, C. Buy votes, or D. Stay at home. And the answer is C. Buy vote. So during an election, it's against the law for anyone to pay for votes. Number 50. John has a problem with the government hospital. Who should he complain to? A. Ministry of Labor, B. Ministry of Health, C. Ministry of Housing, or D. Ministry of Works. And he will complain to B. the Ministry of Health, since he has a problem with the hospital. And that's it for today's lesson. Thanks so much for tuning in. Remember, you can subscribe for quick access to all the lessons and videos that will be posted. Look forward for many more, and remember to study hard and keep yourself up to date with the current information.